Remember all the protests when President Trump won the election. The protests still continued. Democrat socialist Bernie Sanders now hoping for, quote, the resistance to continue into the new year, tweeting, quote, here is a New Year's resolution I hope you will share with me. In 2018, we will intensify not only the struggle against Trumpism, we will increase our efforts to spread the progressive vision to every corner of the land. Let's bring in the author of The Capitalist Code. He is Economist Ben Stein. Good to see you, Ben.
Honor to be here. Happy New Year to you and everybody else.
Same to you. All right, tax cuts passed. Economic growth has doubled so far last 2 quarters versus what it was under Obama. The Democrats now doubling down to try to win back control of Congress. Will that work?
I don't think it's going to work. The economy is just too strong. I think Trump personally has a great deal of magnetism left in him. I think Bernie Sanders is trying to rework the same old tired Democrat line of class envy and class struggle. When he says that word about intensifying the class struggle or whatever Marxist phrase he used, that was just barking up the wrong tree for what America is like now. America is not as angry as his friends are. Most of America is pretty happy right now.
Okay, 'tis the season for predictions for 2018. Okay, Ben, here is the big reveal on the risk to people's money. It's about the stock market bull run. It is a stunning number of media pundits with their hit parade of wrong predictions of economic collapse in 2017 because Trump won. It's about basically what they said and what you should follow when it came to their advice. But if you follow these guys and what they told you, and there's a lot of names we're about to tell you who they are, you would have missed out on a 35% run up in the Dow, one of the greatest bull runs in history, a $6 trillion wealth created for Americans. The predictions came that the economic collapse. The Washington Post said it. Politico said it. MSNBC anchors, too many to name, CNN analysts, Citigroup, IMF economists, the New York Times, MIT economists, Larry Summers, Michael Moore, Paul Krugman, Steve Ratner, Mitt Romney, and Nancy Pelosi. Your thoughts here?
Impossible to predict the stock market either up or down. Best thing, buy the spiders, buy the index. Just hold on for dear life. I personally think the market is a bit high, but don't worry about what I say. I'm very often wrong, but the market is not wrong. So stay with the indexes, keep going with them. It does seem as if the market doesn't have much more room to grow, but that's what people often say. Markets climb on walls of worry, and this is a typical situation for that. What my worry is inflation. This economy has become so strong. Mr. Trump was right. We're going to get tired of winning, and if we keep winning at this rate, we're going to have inflation, and we do not want inflation. So, but I think the economy has been a miracle success story. Put not your trust in pundits, put not your trust in predictions and foreseers about the stock market. Buy the index, hold on to it.